Hey everyone, so in this video we're gonna create our channel on YouTube app. So first of all we needed step by step we have to create one background for edit text. Okay, so edit text underscore bg and it will created selector at in the optional. Just remove it and type shape. In the shape we needed solid is color, Android transparent color, and then we needed stock for breadth is 5 and color was be secondary text color. Okay, so later you will understand why we are created edit text background. So now we want one XML file for creating a dialog. Okay, so now just type channel underscore dialog and the root element was be relative layout and okay. So it will created one XML file for you. Perfect. Now onwards we needed something called gravity in the center. Gravity center. Okay. Layout gravity center and background was be white. Perfect. Now just change this height to web content. Now we needed one small thing is linear layout match parent web content and the layout underscore. Okay, why it's not working there? Android colon layout gravity center and now padding was 10 dp, margin is 8 dp and orientation is vertical. Perfect. Now we want text view. So text view is equal to text view web content. Now we want text was we use YouTube clone as text size was we 18 sp, text color was we hashtag 21 and font family. So you can use anything in this font, but I am using my default. I downloaded it from Google and last video I given the link in the description, just download it. Okay, perfect. So our this thing is completed. Now the actual thing we needed is edit text match content web content. His padding was be 10 dp and background was we edit text background. So I think you understand now what will happen with edit text. It will created like that box. Fancy. Hint was we okay, perfect. Hint was we channel name. Input type is text and ID was we input underscore channel underscore name. Text color was we hashtag 2121 and max lines is 1. Now onwards, just close it and copy this whole text view and paste below this text view. So now onwards it will give you the error. Just change this line description and text input text. A margin from top is 8 dp and the name of this edit text is input description. Perfect. Now onwards we needed one or more thing is IME option action next. Whenever you click on your keyboard the enter button in your phone, it will goes from here to here. That's why we are using action net. Okay, input type not text but multiple line, because in description we are using multiple lines, like my channel is like that, Android development and वगैरह maximum 5 lines. Later if you want something 6 or 7 you can change in your app, but now just default it's okay. But now onwards we can use this font family. It will looks like means it's will fancy look. Okay, now we want one text view in the down. Text view as match parent, web content, and text was we by creating new channel accept our term and condition. Layout underscore margin from top is 4 dp and the font family is my default. You can use different in everything. Download from Google. There are many other font size. Match parent, web content, ID was B, txt create underscore channel, and now onwards we using text is create channel text all cap is true. Text size was v16 sp. Text color primary text, font is similar, margin from top is 10 dB and the gravity and include font padding is false. Perfect. Perfect. So our app is XML file is completed. Look fancy. Yep. Now onwards, just go to your account. One second. In account activity, and here you can text your channel dot set on click listener new view, and it will, now you have to check user have channel. In this line we gonna check if user have the channel already or not, so it will help you to create a channel. Perfect. Now we have to go create a check user have channel method in our main activity, account activity. So now we have to check our database user have channel or not. Just create channel dot child was be not user dot get user ID unification unique ID identity at value event listener. Okay, new value, it will give you two methods, and if snapshot dot exit give me a toast, user have a channel, user have a channel. Perfect. Now onwards we needed else condition for show dialog, because if user don't have channel, it will go show the dialog and user can't create a channel. Now dialog, new dialog account activity dot this dialog dot request window feature dot feature not title dialog dot set context view dot, it will give our channel dialog set dot cancelable true, we can cancel our dialog dot set cancelled on touch outside true. Whoa. If we touch outside the dialog, it will cancel our dialog. Fuck. Sock. Sure. Okay. Okay. So in this we have to use toast message. Last video, you know, we using many times error dot. Okay, perfect. Our work is completed. Now onwards we have to run our channel and see what will happen. Okay, so there is my app, YouTube clone. I will open it and check. Okay, just give me a second. Actually my mobile phone is on dark mode, that's why. Okay, so YouTube, explore, publish, subscription is also working. If I click on this, so it will open a new activity called account activity. If I will click on your channel, it will show me a little dialog. So first of all I will write my channel name. Bunch, and in the description my channel is belong to Android development. Yeah, perfect, is working. So in next video, okay, this video is working and our dialog box is working. So in next video we will click on it and register our channel on Firebase database. So thank you guys, keep subscribe my channel.